Come on, dance. Dance, come on. Good girl. Or easy. Easy. Choke my finger down, okay? Easy. 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 Good girl. That's Bob. Yeah, that's him. He got scared by the noodle because he put his paw down and I moved. He was like, oh, come on, Bob. I'm not going to take that out. Ugh. Like wet. Up all the Bellio. How are you? See? He's multi. He's all gray and he's black and he's gray. He's black and he's gray. I'm sorry. I tried to chase my mom with the camera because she's like this. And he's like, ah. Full shot. Show me your face. Nope, they're gonna go at it. They're gonna go at it. Come on, Bob. Don't batter. Oh, stop showing me your butthole. That's right, a nice carrot. That's it. Up close and personal, Bob. What you doing? You're all dirty. I can see your dirt. Your dirt. Your little dirt. Your little dirt. Hi. Look down. Okay. See? It's not very good at jumping, but whatever. No. You're gonna fall in the pool and then mommy has to rescue you. And his little shoulders like dude. Alright, bye.